How to send an avatar sticker in Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up your Messenger application. Now go to the chat, tap on the emoji icon. Now next to emoji, tap on the person face. Now click on create avatar. Now select the skin tone. Tap on next. Now select the hairstyle. Tap on next. Choose hair color. Tap on next. Select face. Tap on save. Now wait for some time. Now tap on next. Now tap on sticker icon. Now select the sticker you want to send. Now go back. Now select the stickers. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.